Questions 74 through 76 refer to the following advertisement.
At Durand Incorporated, we believe that cleaning supplies should not include harmful chemicals. That's why we created the Lemon line of environmentally friendly household cleaners. Made from all natural ingredients, these products will never damage countertops, stoves, or any other surfaces. Starting this March, Lemon brand items will be even easier to find, as they will be available in all Davis Market stores across the United States. In the meantime, you can order any of our products at www.durandincorp.com, where all of our goods are currently 5% off.
Number 74. What is being advertised? Number 75. What is supposed to happen in March? Number 76. According to the speaker, what can listeners do online?